Print media was where advertising began, but even though it's historic, it's still plenty effective when used strategically. That's right, even in the digital age, print is not dead. But the best ways to use print advertising are different for knowledge creators than brick-and-mortar businesses. Hi, I'm Derek from the Kajabi Knowledge and Training team, and I'm going to talk about how online businesses can use print advertising effectively. First, let's cover some of the challenges of print advertising. Print advertising works better for brands that are simply reminding you that they exist, and for brands that don't expect to track every purchase back to a customer. You already know about Coca-Cola. Their print ads serve as a reminder to get one of their products on your next trip to the grocery store. Sadly, print advertising metrics can be nearly impossible to track. So, to no surprise, that's one reason why print has lost favor as a marketing method, especially when there are so many trackable digital marketing options. That's also why it's not super common for knowledge creators. Smaller companies don't have millions of dollars to spend on brand building advertisements. They need to be efficient to optimize their limited marketing budgets. Now, let's jump into our 5 tips on how online businesses can more efficiently use this marketing channel. First, you'll want to find niche publications that align with your ideal audience. These magazines have a smaller, but more dedicated following. For example, if you sell online courses about surfing, you may want to advertise in a niche publication about surfing, because the reader's interests align with your product. You wouldn't necessarily find a good audience fit if you took out an ad for your surfing course in a national publication like Good Housekeeping. Another great option is to look for regional business journals or magazines. For instance, Stroll is a publisher that creates magazines for upscale residential neighborhoods. The content of these publications may not exactly align with your niche. However, if you can find a local publication for your area, you can connect with readers who value supporting smaller, local businesses. As a bonus, the advertising costs can be lower. After you've decided which publication to advertise in, you may be able to choose when your ad will run. So, be intentional with the timing. Check out if the publication has an editorial calendar with themed issues. If possible, time your ad so that it runs in a publication centered around your area of expertise or the products you offer. This is a great way to optimize the chances of your ad being seen by people that match your ideal client profile. Once you've decided when and where to run your print ad, you'll need to decide what sort of ad to take out. One unique type of ad is called an advertorial, where it's designed to look like editorial content. For knowledge creators, this option might be a great fit because you can tell a story and demonstrate your expertise while also informing prospects on your offerings. How can you track the effectiveness of your print advertising? Consider using unique coupon codes and landing pages for each publication and include those in your ad. Admittedly, this is not a perfect tracking method because people can share those codes out with others, but this can help you get some understanding of how your print ad performed. I hope that these tips help you feel more confident to explore a new marketing channel. Be sure to check out our other YouTube videos, blog posts, podcasts, and ebooks to get more marketing tips for knowledge creators.